Maintenance calories. How do you calculate it? By using a calorie calculator. However, only trust this if you're just starting off your weight loss journey, because you don't know anything about calories. You haven't met the calorie doctor yet. Why only use it starting off your weight loss journey? Because it is very flawed. You can't use one formula for the entire population. It consists of the Harrison-Benedict formula. I don't want to bore you with all that boring stuff. Let's make it easy and simple. Person A may have maintenance calories of 2,000 calories. A calorie calculator could spit out a number like 2,500 calories. It may work for you, it may not. Everyone is a completely different person and should be assessed on a completely subjective scale. And because of that one little mistake of the calorie calculator, person A can not be losing weight and be anxious and mad, like, why is the scale not going down? So what is the most accurate way to calculate your maintenance calories? If you're just starting off, it's to start tracking what you're eating. That means everything. Veggies, oils, sauces, etc. Vegetables have calories. And also, along with tracking what you're eating, start weighing yourself on a daily basis and find the middle weight of that week. So assess it on a weekly basis and find the middle number, the middle weight. If your weight stays the same, that means you're at maintenance calories. Your maintenance calories is composed of your BMR, basal metabolic rate, NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, what you do when you're not doing exercise, and thermogenesis, which is exercise. Wow. And if you're on your weight loss journey, you've started tracking your calories or tracking something, you've had some results, and let's say your weight loss stalls. What then? What then after your weight loss stalls? Either you have to decrease calories or increase activity. So either eat less or move more. Because at the end of the day, to lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit. I will link a calorie calculator in the description below. You put in your age, your height, your activity level, and if you can accurately, a lot of people can't do this accurately, your body fat percent. I hope I could benefit someone on their weight loss journey or starting their weight loss journey. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.